Today we will be having no ordinary lesson, and I guess you could say it's food for your brain.
We will be learning about similar triangles, so get ready for your sweet surprise.
What are similar triangles? Well, if two angles of a triangle have measures equal to the measures of two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar.
Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion, and corresponding angles have the same measure. To find the sides of similar triangles, you have to set up ratios and cross-multiply. Enough talk. Let's get to the example.
Example 1. Here we have a smaller triangle with a side 3, 4, and 5. Here is a larger triangle with sides 30, 40, and x. We have to set up a ratio and cross-multiply. So let's do 3 over 30 is equal to 5 over x. Turns out to be 50. The multiple here is 10. So that means that 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So therefore, x is equal to 50.
On example 4, there's a smaller triangle with side lengths 3, 5, and x. And there is a larger triangle with side lengths 6, 8, and 10. Set up your ratio. 3 over 6 is equal to x over 8. Cross multiply, and you should get 6x equals 24. Divide 24 by 6, and x comes out to be 4. To find the factor, divide 8 by 4, with the factor turning out to be 2.
In example 3, we are dealing with decimals. The smaller triangle has lengths of 10.5, 14, and 17.5. The larger triangle has lengths of 26.75, 38, and x. Set up the ratio of 10.5 over 26.25 equals 17.5 over x. Cross multiply, and you get 10.5x equals 459.375. Divide by 10.5 and x equals 43.75. Set up 43.75 divided by 17.5 for the factor, and you get 2.5.
Example 4, we're going to have to find x and y. The smaller triangle has lengths 5x and 13. The larger triangle has 60x and 144. To set up the first ratio, 5 over 60 is to x over 144. X equals 12 because 5 times 12 is 60 and 12 times 12 is 144. To set up the second ratio, 5 over 60 is to 13 over y. The answer is 156 because 5 times 12 is 60 and 13 times 12 is 156. To find the factor, divide 60 by 5, the factor coming out to be 12. I have to write the answers.
Yeah, just write it.
Okay, sorry. X is 12. It's not coming out. Okay.
This is Melanie Broxford, and my son
Y is 156.
today, and I have left a credit card, copy of my credit card there to pay for him before. Can you use that again for this prescription?
We are now done with our lesson, but there are a few things you need to remember.
1. If two angles of one triangle equal two angles of another, they are similar. 2. Corresponding sides are always similar.
3. Corresponding angles have the same measure. 4. Use ratios and cross multiplication. Find missing side lengths, and that concludes our lesson. It's a piece of cake.